Mastering Personal Finance. Practical Steps for Financial Freedom. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, managing your finances. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment as you watch this video. Have you ever reached the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Financial management is something most people struggle with at some point, but the good news is that it's never too late to take control of your money. In this video, I'll share practical ways to manage your finances better, complete with real-life examples and tools you can use to get started. Let's jump right in. The first step in managing your finances is knowing where your money is going. You can't fix what you don't understand. Let's say you earn $2,500 a month. After tracking your expenses for a month, you realize you're spending $300 on dining out and $150 on streaming subscriptions you rarely use. That's $450 you could redirect towards savings or debt repayment. Tool. Use an app like Mint to automatically track your spending categories. If you prefer manual tracking, use a spreadsheet. I'll link a simple budget template in the description below. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. A simple way to start is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% for wants, like entertainment and dining out. 20% for savings and debt repayment. For example, imagine you earn $3,000 per month. Using the 50-30-20 rule, $1,500 goes to needs like rent and groceries. $900 is for wants, like eating out and hobbies. $600 is for savings or paying off debt. Use YNABA, You Need a Budget tool, which serves greatly for organizing your budget and keeping you on track. Life is so unpredictable, and that's why you need an emergency fund. Experts recommend saving 6 months' worth of expenses. A friend of mine recently faced unexpected car repairs that cost $2,000. Thankfully, they had an emergency fund and didn't need to rely on a high-interest loan. You could argue, why not have an insurance policy in place? Sometimes, these policies can get very expensive. This does not discredit taking up an insurance cover, as they do provide a great protection. Opening a high-yield savings account with investments banks can help you build an emergency fund. These accounts earn more interest than regular savings accounts. Debt can drain your finances, so paying it off is a crucial step. There are 2 popular methods. 1. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins. 2. Debt avalanche. Focus on the debts with the highest interest rates to save money in the long run. Example: if you have $5,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest and $2,000 in student loans at 5% interest, focus on the credit card first. Paying it off faster saves you hundreds in interest. Tools such as the Debt Payoff Planner app can help you visualize and track your debt payments. Once your debt is under control and your emergency fund is set, start investing. Investing helps your money grow over time through compound interest. Let's say you start investing $100 a month at age 25 with a 7% annual return. You'll have over $120,000 by age 60. This shows that starting early makes a huge difference. There are tools beginners can use, such as robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. If you're more hands-on, apps like Robinhood or Acorns are excellent. Automation simplifies financial management and ensures consistency. Set up automatic transfers for bills, savings, and investments. For example, you can automate a $200 transfer to your savings account every payday. Over time, this builds up without you even thinking about it. Most banks offer automation features directly in their apps. Use these to schedule important payments and transfers. Financial management isn't a one-time task. Review your budget and goals monthly to stay on track. As a freelancer, I review my finances every month because my income varies. Doing this has helped me avoid overspending during low-income months. I use Personal Capital to track my net worth and financial progress over time. Managing your finances may feel overwhelming at first, but remember, it's all about small, consistent steps. Let's recap. 1. Track your income and expenses. 2. Create a budget that works for you. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Pay off debt strategically. 5. Invest in your future. 6. Automate your finances. 7. Monitor and adjust regularly. So, I want to encourage you to start today by tracking your expenses for just 1 week. You would agree with me that it's an eye-opening exercise and the first step toward taking control of your finances. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest financial challenge? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be safe and be wise.